I'm here in China. Among others, I visited one of the fastest growing city, which is called Shenzhen. My name is Akser S Mwafangeyo from Namibia. We became independent in 1990. Who would not want to experience this life? Who would not want to see their country having grown or having developed like China has done? This is exactly why I'm here in China. Following the advice of a friend, I called a taxi by WeChat. Ni hao. Mr. Sun, a local driver, is 53 years old and a retired taxi driver. He retired for the past few years.
Important, I think important Shenzhen, every day change. Every day, new building, your development faster.
Yeah, very beautiful. I like the trees. Who will not want to live in a city that is developed like Shenzhen? This is just a good example. The Communist Party of China has exactly done well in terms of serving their people. Their good policies has made this city one of the leading cities in the world.
Thank you.
Mr. Liu,
Thank you.
nice meeting. He came to Shenzhen to build his career. Mr. Liu says sometimes hard working is not always sufficient. Without the good policies that the government has put in place, corporations cannot build good achievements or survive over the years. Selby.
小的在。
Key points that I've learned from the Party of China is the good system of at least cultivating young people. I came to Ganguan Elementary School where the children were selling their handmade work, which are made from waste. These kids impressed me very much. China and Namibia are good friends. And in that way, already at a tender age, they have been exposed to economic development. Already they started selling products that they have made. So one day if they grow big, they can become good entrepreneurs. What is required to develop is that the government or the party that is leading the country works for the people. You need to have good policies in terms of good governance. You need to come up with good reforms. In that way, people will be able to do what is good for their lives. That is exactly what has happened here in Shenzhen. In sharing the experience of Shenzhen with my fellow brothers and sisters back home in Namibia, and I'm looking forward in replicating what I've learned here